Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, October 18th, and I am currently here in Pensacola, Florida. Yesterday I had a job interview. I have not heard any news back from it yet. Today I am going to do a full day of eating slash follow me around video. I'm going back to my best friend Emily's barn today. I'm driving back to Alabama to see my boyfriend before I head back to Texas in a couple of days. So I got a long day of stuff to do. I first stopped by Starbucks this morning, got me a coffee because my grandma didn't have any like cream in her house, and I just was really craving me some iced coffee. So I got some because I had a gift card. So I got me a venti iced coffee with sugar-free vanilla, no classic syrup, and light heavy cream. And I always think that's such a conundrum when I order it, because light means like a smaller amount of heavy cream, but I'm always like, can I have light heavy cream? And it just kind of makes me giggle. So I'm just weird, y'all. I'm gonna sip on this coffee. Right behind me is a dog park. I'm gonna let Bo go wander around a little bit. It's such a pretty day. We're gonna walk down to the water, check it out, and then go back to my grandma's and then head out to Emily's barn. Hey Bo, do you wanna go to the park? Do you wanna go to the park? Come on, let's go to the park. Oh my gosh, let's go. Oh my golly, y'all, when we were at the dog park, there were 2 more Cocker Spaniels, and then just someone else had a dog there. But oh my golly, this lady had the prettiest little light red Cocker Spaniel, and it was like half the size of Bo, because he's huge for his breed. He's 38 pounds. The vet said he needs to lose some weight. He's had too many snacks at home recently, so I gotta work on that. Check out how pretty it is here today. The water is sparkling and clear. I really can't get over how pretty it is out here today, and it's like 67 degrees outside. It is perfect. The sun is shining. Can't get any better than this. For breakfast this morning, I'm going to do some low-carb breakfast tacos to use up some of these low-carb tortillas. I'm going to do 2 tortillas. I have 3 eggs right here that I am about to scramble up in the pan. Got some bacon, some shredded cheddar cheese, and some smoked ham. And that's all gonna go into my little breakfast tacos.
Are like that. Most people have a short leg.
These tortillas I'm using are by La Tortilla Factory. They only have 3 grams of net carbs and 8 grams of fiber, which I need because I do not think I've been taking in enough fiber. I'm going to top these little breakfast tacos with some mild salsa. I warmed up the tortillas for a quick 12 seconds. And now I'm just going to scoop my little egg and cheese and ham mixture right onto my tortilla. Oh my golly, I'm so excited. So it's about 1:30 now. I am almost to my friend Emily's barn. I just stopped at this grocery store behind me. It's called the Piggly Wiggly. I love the Piggly Wiggly. I have some t-shirts from there and everything. I just love the Piggly Wiggly. So I also have been craving me some boiled peanuts. So boiled peanuts are literally just peanuts in the shell that have been boiled in like basically water and salt. And this is a 32-ounce cup of them. I'm definitely not eating all of these. I got some to share with my friend. And I also looked up the nutritional information for the boiled peanuts. So there is 7 grams of fat in 1/4 of a cup, or 34 grams. 0 net carbs. There's 4 grams of fiber and 4 grams of protein. So this is a good little snack. I'm obviously not going to eat a ton of them, but I absolutely love boiled peanuts. You just like stick them in your mouth, crack open the shell, eat the peanuts, throw the shells away. Oh my golly, if you're not from the South, try some. They're so good. I love them so much. But now it's time to go on, head to the barn, and we'll go see some animals and ride some horses. Oh, those are some big scary dogs right there, aren't they? I love when I find little kittens in the barn. Oh, hi, little thing. Hello. Hi, piggy piggy. And a little pig. And a little pig. Can you say hello? Get him, Bo. Say hello. Say hello. Get him. Say hi. BFFs forever. The horses grew some watermelons in their field. Little tiny watermelons. Don't hit me with a watermelon. I'm about to ride Miss Philly right here, and all she wants to do is bite me. So we shall see how this goes. Please don't buck me off. I'm really not in the mood for that today, ma'am. Oh, Miss Philly is so not happy to have me touching her. Probably try and bite me. Bo is looking at the horse like, what the heck? You want to say hi? Bo? Philly, can you tell the internet that you were bad and mean? Just, you know, being a mare? Being kind of moody. I understand, you know. We all have our days. Hey, Bo, what's your opinion about the barn? Oh, do you hear that train? Look at that little nub. It's a happy nub. Look at that nub. Look at that nub. Hey. We're out here walking the pups in Blackwater River State Park. It's so pretty out here today. Well, it was a fun afternoon here at the barn, seeing my best friend. I feel like we haven't gotten nearly enough time to see each other lately. We went on a long walk with our pups through Blackwater River, and the dogs are pooped. Bo got himself a bath, so he's gonna smell all nice, and now it's time to hit the road and head to Mobile, Alabama, which is about an hour-and-a-half drive from here. So I'll check in with y'all when I get there and we eat dinner. Let's go.
It's bone in too. The best part's right here.
Hey guys, so my day is over. I got to Cody's house. I'm in Alabama and the day is complete and I just had a pork chop for dinner. So my day is done and I'm getting ready to shower and go to bed. I hope you enjoyed this full day of eating, me taking y'all to the barn with me, showing you my cute dog, and it was a good day. I had a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel down below. And I will see y'all again real soon with another video. Bye guys. Mwah. Bo, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Or not.